Today I'm going to be showing you how to install our newest product, the Universal Capacitor Mount, in just 3 easy, simple steps. Here's a look at our newest product, the Universal Capacitor Mount, part number UCM. The Universal Capacitor Mount comes in a 2-pack with 2 zip ties, 2 screws, and adhesive included. You have the choice to mount these brackets together or use them individually, but for today's installation, we'll be mounting them together. For step 1, just remove the adhesive from the back of the mount and stick them to the unit. Next, we're going to take our screws and drill them into place to give our mounts that extra security. And lastly, we'll take our zip ties, slide them right through, and secure the capacitors at the brim of the can. When you're finished with the install of the mounts, simply trim the excess zip tie pieces off for a clean install look. Repeat these steps for the other side. And there you have it, a simple and clean install. Purchase our Universal Capacitor Mount at a local wholesale store near you today. The Universal Capacitor Mount is patent protected. To view our patents, check out our website. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content.